Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are going to be doing a power hour where I'm going to be timing myself to see how quickly I can get my mess of a house cleaned up. And let me tell you, it's a mess. So I'm going to take you guys around here in a second and show you what all we have to get done today, and then we're just going to go ahead and get right on into it. But first, I just want to mention really quickly that today's video is in collaboration with another YouTube friend of mine. Her name is Lucie Mayer, and you guys may recognize her name from one of my giveaways that I did forever ago. I think it was my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and she had won it, and she has a channel of her own as well, and we have made friends since she won the giveaway, and we decided to do a collab together. And what makes me so excited about YouTube is meeting friends from all over the world, because okay, see, now that I'm like sitting down in front of the camera talking, I'm forgetting exactly where she lives. I think she lives in New Zealand. Lucie, let me know if I'm right in the comments down below, because I think you live in New Zealand, but I also might be having my mind escape me. But anyways, she lives far away. She lives far enough away that as you guys are seeing this, it's actually the next day where she is from. So we had a fun little time trying to figure out what time we were going to post our video at, because it's in two completely different time zones because I'm in Canada. Anyways, if you guys love my channel, you will like Lucie's. She does a ton of cleaning motivation over there, but my favorite thing about her channel is that she makes healthy but delicious recipes. Like, she's always doing like zucchini chocolate bread and like stuff like that, like stuff that is really yummy but it's also healthy for you. She makes like cookies out of like carrots and stuff like that. So things that you can feel good about eating but also feel like treats. So that's my favorite thing about her channel. But she also has a ton of cleaning inspiration, so make sure you go over there and check out her channel. Tell her that I sent you, and make sure you go and subscribe. And really quickly, once again, I'm sorry, I know we're gonna get into the video really quick. But if you are coming over from Lucie's channel, I would absolutely love it if you would hit the subscribe button and come and hang out with me. I post videos 2 to 3 times a week. I do a ton of cleaning motivation. That's my main thing that I do over here. Every once in a while we do some cooking, some mommy content, talking about the law of attraction sometimes, but for the most part I do cleaning motivation. So anyways, with all that being said, let's get on into the video. Let's see what we need to get done today. Okay, so I am standing in my living room and it's messy for sure. I need to pick up the couch, maybe give it a good quick vacuum as well. There is all kinds of stuff, blankets all over the place here, so this area is not too bad. But over here, Holden dumped out all of his train tracks. If I move this, you can see even more. Like, there is a ton of train tracks that need to be put away. And from that, we're going to move on into the kitchen and dining room area. So this is a pile of clothes that needs to go down to the wash, and we need to just pick up we got a bunch of games that need to go in Holden's room. Need to fold those towels, and we need to pick up the kitchen. Here's my little baby. If you're new to the channel, I have 2 sons. This is Dawson. He is 2 months old. My other son is Holden, and he is 3.5, and he's not at home right now. But yeah, we need to clean up this kitchen from breakfast and lunch before I can start making any dinner in it tonight, because who's going to be able to cook in a mess like this? And then if we go this way, we've got more train tracks in Holden's room. We need to do a quick tidy up in here, as well as get his laundry into the wash too. In my bedroom, we have to strip the bed and get that bedding into the wash, because in the middle of the night last night, Dawson peed all over the bed. So I just like laid a towel down there on top of the bed, and I just slept on top of the towel because it was like 3 in the morning, and there was no way I was going to be stripping this bed. So we're going to go ahead, strip the bed, and just pick up in here. I always end up putting a ton of stuff, just loading this thing up with just junk. These books have to go back in Holden's room. I have coffee cups, million coffee cups there that need to go to the kitchen. So we need to take care of that. And then we also need to do a quick pickup here. The bathroom. I got clothes everywhere. We're gonna need to do a lot of laundry today. So yeah, that is what we're working with today. We are gonna put an hour on the clock and see how much I can get done within that time. Hopefully I can get it all done. And yeah, once again, make sure you go check out Lucie. Tell her I sent you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started in the kitchen. As you guys can see, there was a huge mess here. Like I said before, I had breakfast dishes as well as lunch dishes in here that we had to do. Had to put some leftovers away. So I'm going to go ahead and get all the counters cleared off, and then we will get started with the dishes. I still have to unload last night's dishes from the dishwasher, and then we will reload. And that is always the best feeling. Once you can unload the dishwasher, that personally is the thing that I hate the most about cleaning the kitchen. I hate unloading the dishwasher. So once I get that unloaded, I don't mind loading it because I kind of feel like it's like a game of Tetris, right? It's kind of like you get like a little sense of satisfaction after you load it and everything fits. That's probably my favorite part about it. But yeah, definitely let me know in the comments down below what your worst kitchen chore is.
Sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law.
So I was talking with my girlfriend about this the other day, and I thought I would ask you guys this question. Do you have a room in your house that always has to stay clean? For me, it's the kitchen. I mean, don't get me wrong, it definitely gets messy, of course, but as long as the kitchen is clean, I feel like the rest of the house seems cleaner and I just feel better, a little bit more calm. I'm the type of person, like, when everything is clean, I feel a lot less stressed, I feel less anxiety, and I don't know, I just feel better. And when the house is a mess and is in chaos, then that's kind of, my mind state is the same. But I always find that if my kitchen is clean, I definitely feel better, even if the rest of the house is still messy. Am I crazy in that, or do you guys feel the same way? Let me know in the comments down below.
We are kings of the world. Follow me away, 'cause we can't stay here. Let yourself go, you got nothing to fear. You'll never be alone, let the highway be your home. 'Cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world, and anywhere it's homebound. We are kings of the world, and tonight is our playground. We are kings of the world.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight.
Okay, so now we're going to move over into the dining area, and I'm just going to go ahead and clear off the table and give it a good wipe down, and then we will go ahead and fold that laundry. It's mostly just towels in that load, but I definitely have a lot more laundry to do today, so we'll see how far we get.
I'm coming home. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing me soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun, ain't spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes.
Okay, you guys, are you still with me? We are going to move over into the living room now. I'm going to start by picking up all these train tracks because, man, that's a disaster. It is such a pain in the butt have to clean these up. And normally Holden does clean them up with much fighting. It is always a fight to get him to pick all these trains up, and I mean, I can see why they're annoying. But he always dumps the whole bin out, which I mean, I can kind of understand because it's a big bin and it can be hard to find the pieces that he needs, but at the same time it's way harder to clean them all up. So go ahead, get started there, and then we'll move over to the couch, tidy up the couch a bit, and then get some vacuuming done in here. Let me know, are you guys cleaning along beside me, or are you watching me in order to gain some motivation to clean later?
I'm coming home.
Put your body on the kitchen table and move the dishes to the side. Yeah. Girl, you always tend to drive me crazy, looking at me with those eyes. Yeah. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows on.
Okay, now moving over into my bedroom, I'm going to just take all those clothes that were on the floor and put them all into a pile for the laundry. And now I'm just going to go ahead and strip my bed and do the same thing. I'm just going to toss everything that needs to go in the wash basically into the hallway and just sort through it later and get the laundry going later, and just going to kind of get it all piled into one spot.
The shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body.
Lastly, we're going to tackle the bathroom, and the bathroom's not too bad. It just, once again, clothes need to go into that laundry pile, and I need to just take everything off the counters, put everything away, and give it a good wipe down. I just did a full clean on the bathroom not too long ago, so it just needs a quick wipe down.
If you got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go.
Alright, you guys, so I just heard my timer go off in the other room. I just finished the bathroom. So for this video, I was able to complete the kitchen, the dining area. I stripped my bed and quickly tidied up my bedroom. I did not have time to remake the bed or throw the clothes in the laundry. And I did a quick clean of the bathroom. I at least got all the clothes out of there and wiped down the countertops. I have not put any laundry in, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And I did not get to Holden's room at all, unfortunately. But overall, I'm pretty happy with what I was able to get done. I will say that in the beginning, when I was filming the kitchen part, I kind of forgot that I was doing a time challenge. So I was just like leisurely being like, la-di-da, just cleaning. And then all of a sudden I remembered, hey, you're supposed to be trying to race yourself here and race the clock. So then I started picking up the pace after that. But overall, I'm really happy with what I was able to get done in an hour. Yeah, so let me know in the comments down below if you have ever timed yourself, tried to do a power hour. I find that it's really fun and it's a really good way to try to get as much done as you possibly can as quickly as you can. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Make sure you go over and check out Lucie's channel and tell her that I sent you. And if you are new here from Lucie's channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment down below. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.